In a world that celebrates speed, noise, and constant doing, there's something sacred about slowing down. There is beauty in quiet mornings, unhurried afternoons, and the kind of peace that doesn't ask for attention. Today, I want to share something close to my heart, the magic of simple days and quiet joys. Because sometimes the softest parts of life hold the deepest meaning. Simple days often go unnoticed. They're not filled with grand adventures or picture-perfect moments, just ordinary hours stitched together by calm and intention. Maybe it's making breakfast slowly, folding laundry while listening to the rain, or sitting by the window doing absolutely nothing. These moments may not look exciting, but they whisper peace, the kind that fills you from within. When life feels too fast, it's often these quiet, simple days that bring us back to ourselves. Somewhere along the way, we started believing that happiness has to look big, that joy must come with achievement, success, or noise. But the truth is, we don't need to chase happiness. It's already here, waiting in the calm moments we often overlook. We miss them because our minds are busy worrying, planning, scrolling, comparing. But when we slow down, when we notice, the world feels softer, life begins to glow again. Quiet joys are the small, gentle things that fill our hearts without trying. The first sip of coffee in the morning, the sound of birds outside your window, a handwritten note, a cozy blanket on a rainy day. These are the things that remind us that peace doesn't always come from doing more. Sometimes it comes from being here, fully. Quiet joys teach us that we don't need a perfect life to feel content, just an open heart to appreciate the little things. Here are a few gentle ways to embrace simple days and let quiet joys fill your life. Start your day slowly. Don't rush into your phone or to-do list. Begin with calm, a deep breath, a warm drink, a moment of gratitude. Create small rituals. Light a candle when you read. Play soft music when you cook. Make ordinary tasks meaningful. Do less but feel more. Let go of the pressure to always be productive. Sometimes the most important thing you can do is rest. Spend time in nature. Watch the sky change colors. Listen to the wind or simply sit under a tree. Nature has a way of reminding us of what truly matters. Be where your feet are. Whether you're washing dishes, walking, or talking, be there fully. That's where life happens. These small acts create space for peace to breathe. There will always be noise, deadlines, worries, distractions. But you can still choose softness. You can choose to slow your step, breathe deeply, and focus on what's real. Even on hard days, there are quiet joys waiting, a kind word, a sunset, a deep breath that reminds you you're still here. Simple days and quiet joys remind us that happiness isn't something to chase, it's something to notice. You don't need a perfect life to feel peace. You just need to pay attention to the gentle beauty that's already here. So today, I hope you slow down a little. Drink your coffee slowly. Watch the light move across your room. Feel the stillness that lives between moments. Because the truth is, the small things were never small at all. Thank you for being here. If this message spoke to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a quiet reminder today.